Keyboard review? Bet. This keyboard's called the Dell Quiet Key 212B, and it's $22 on Amazon. I mean, the keyboard is alright. It is a cheap membrane keyboard that you don't expect the best quality for. So yeah, should you get one? No. For $22, there's so much better keyboards you can get, like this one. It's the Magigi Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Well, yeah, I was wrong about the price. It's not 22. It's honey, get out of the way. It's $24, but it's still a mechanical keyboard. And if you decide to pay $5 more, I'm pretty sure you can get a hot swappable version.